Have you ever wondered why the stock market does what it does? Well, you've come to the right place, the Market Breath, for a TLDR view on what's going on. Last week's trading is what I like to call tentative celebration of economic weakness. Now, why would the market celebrate economic weakness this time in the form of a weak jobs report? Well, because rate cuts are coming as a result. But as you'll see in the charts, there was a little bit of tentativeness to close the week as price action mostly faded from the highs as people wondered, maybe a weak economy is not such a great thing for corporate profits after all. All right, let's take a look at the charts. Market breadth, the percentage stocks trading above their 50-day moving averages, what I like to call AT54 above the 50. You can see it started September the same way it started August with that gap down, trickled up and almost closed the gap for the week before that tentativeness crept in and brought it back down. S&P 500, very distinct pattern here where people are just jumping into all the breaches. You see how that gap down happened, and then buyers shot the S&P 500 right off the intraday lows for the rest of the week until that tentativeness stepped in at the end of Friday. NASDAQ, even more distinct, gap down to start the month and then shot straight up. In fact, on the gap up to start the celebration for the week jobs report, the NASDAQ looked like it was ready to just break out and start a whole fresh rally, but it didn't. But IWM, the ETF of small caps, it actually ended the week positive. Now, why would IWM have this better response? Well, because small caps, small businesses really need financing and they benefit the most from lower rates. All right, let's step into the individual charts of the week that caught my interest. Thanks for making it this far, but if you need more details, you can check me out on YouTube at Ahan Analytics. You can also read more details on my blog at drduru.com/122. Don't forget to like and share this content so the algorithm knows what's up. You can also leave comments and feedback below, and don't forget to come back for more.